6th of Jan 2018 and the first night of 2018. I'm heading to Shiroda with the team. The people are waiting out for me at the meeting point. So pretty excited, and this is going to be like 130 kilometers ride, and we are settling at Shiroda beach. You see, I have packed up all my stuff, my panniers, my luggage, a tent, and inside I have sleeping bag and other stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty much all set and ready to rock and roll.
So yeah, good morning folks. It's almost 7 AM and all my team members are waiting for me. Got a bit late, sorry guys. Let's take blessings of Shri Lord Ganesha, because our meeting point was at this Ganesha temple, Indira Ganesh temple. It's very popular in Belgaum, very famous, and a lot of people come here to seek blessings from Lord Ganesha. Oh, so here they are. भाई लोग इधर रुके हैं, अपने को गाली खाने का आज गारंटी है. Good morning and a big sorry for the delay.
Delay? काय हो? एक तास थांबलो.
होय, माहिती आहे तुमचं 1 तास.
So guys, Venki is late today.
Yeah, I have already blocked it. मैं बोला सबको पहले ही. आज मेरी वजह से बैंड बजने वाला है मेरा करके.
हम लोग बजाते नहीं.
चलो, थैंक यू.
Guys, we are at Halkarni. We just stopped by for a quick photo shoot here and met these two bikers. What's your name?
Shiroda.
What's your name?
Pradeep.
All right, we are close to Amboli now. Amboli should be another 5-6 kilometers. Alright, we have come near to Sawantwadi and I don't know where's the breakfast point. Umesh knows it. So enjoyed the twisties here. It was fun and gracefully. The roads were good. Oh, you guys are waiting here. That's lovely. What happened?
काय नाही, तुमच्यासाठी थांबलो.
होय, ते काय दम लागाय?
म्हातारा झाला की वय झाला.
This is Hotel New Pragati, and we have stopped here for quick breakfast. It's going very slow. Everyone is riding at leisure pace, no rush. They have a small, lovely garden area here, lawn setup. So we'll be having breakfast here now. Okay, so let's go. We finished our breakfast here. Now it's another almost 60 kilometers probably. That should take another 1 hour for us to reach. So let's go. Off we go. Look at that Harley rumble यार. अपने फेस को मार रहा है इधर. पड़.
Hats off to our team BRC, because every member is equally cautious and alert about safety riding gears. They are with full gears possibly. Everyone wears a good helmet, a jacket, hand gloves, knee guards. That is proper riding. It's a lovely corner here. So we are 6 bikes here, and rest of the team is joining us later in the afternoon. Probably they will be with us for the lunch. This is beautiful Sawantwadi lake for you guys. So we are just bypassing Sawantwadi, and I don't know, we are taking the route to Shiroda here ahead. So this is a lovely lake amidst the entrance of the city. Beautiful. Wear a helmet, boss. Helmet pehno. It's for your safety. नहीं रहने दो लो पहनो. Shiroda beach is 28 kilometers from here, so we got to take a right. Oh gosh, roads look under work. पुढे उतार आहे, सावधान. And Shiroda is another 8 kilometers. Beautiful scenic location. Typical coastal climate. I already sense a lot of humidity. The temperature is hovering around 32. Ah, finally, huh? We have reached our location. Yay! And I want to put up tents there. This should be beautiful. What's going on here? So we are going to Silver Sand. What's up people? So I am standing here on Shiroda beach, and we just reached like a couple of hours ago, finished our food, had delicious seafood. It was great fun. And now team BRC, you can see we have set up our tents here. This is our camping site. You can see we have parked our bikes in front of our tents. So let's go and see what the team members are doing. Here's the team. Umesh, Rishi, Parag, Suraj is already chilling here, and Shantinath, Bharat. So there are some more members who are still on the way, maybe another 2-3 people, right? Yeah. So it's going to be one hell of a fun. Mickey. Super last person. Yeah, so it's going to be one hell of a fun here. We're gonna do campfire in the evening. So now we'll just go and have a walk on the beach and come back later.
It was almost late in the evening and we all were just relaxing at the beach area. The tents were up and waiting for the campfire. We friends went out searching for waste sticks and some waste material to lit up the bonfire. After walking through the beach area and the shady area we had around the tents, we found enough sticks and waste to lit up the bonfire. And to top it off, the staff at Silver Sands were kind enough to supply us delicious fried chicken, completely homemade with homemade masalas and stuff. एकदम ज़बरदस्त हो गया था, एकदम बढ़िया था टेस्ट में. Let me tell you honestly, this was one of the most delicious dish I had ever. We had loads of fun, lot of funny conversations, and we all were absolutely relaxed. With this, it was almost 2 a.m. in the night, and we all crashed into our tents to call it a good night. Later, we woke up at 7:30 in the morning, and whatever happens after that, you will see it in the next video. Do subscribe if you guys enjoyed the day 2 of our camping tour. And trust me, you will definitely enjoy the stunning drone footages we got the next day morning. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, so do like and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Ride safe, wear all the gears all the time, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye bye.